Hello everyone, I am back with a new video, that is how to set up and fly a sky lantern. So here you can see this is the sky lantern I got from amazon.in, and this is the wax. Okay, now let's unwrap the sky lantern. You can see how it is done, and then set up the sky lantern, and then finally fly the sky lantern. Keep watching. First you need to switch off the fan so that the sky lantern doesn't rupture, and then open it slowly. See how I am doing it. Open the side portion slowly. At times you will get the ruptured pieces by default, maybe because of the manufacturing defect, so you can also fix it and fly it. Now you have to switch on the fan so as to open the center portion and to see if there is any hole or not. Now hold it from both the sides, this side and this side, and stand below the fan. Keep the fan speed at 3 so that it won't rupture again. Okay, and stand below the fan so that the air can go inside and open up a bit, because if you do it manually it might get towed. Okay. Now check it inside the if there is any hole or not. Well, I found one. There is a manufacturing defect, you can see it, and there is another one in here. I can't show it right now. Let me fix it first, then I will show it. Well, I have found only 2 holes in my sky lantern, so these are the paper cuttings, normal newspaper cuttings. Okay, this is for the bigger hole and this is for the smaller hole, and now I am going to fix it with the help of the gum. Let me show you after fixing it. As you can see, I have already patched bigger hole here. Okay, now for the smaller hole I have patched here. Okay, now again let's check if there is another hole or not. Now let's fix the wax in it. Okay, you can see the wax here, it is not properly holed. So first you need to clear up this hole, and you see this thing here, you need to put it inward. Okay, and squeeze this thing, you need to squeeze this thing, make it bit pointed. Okay, now you need to put the wax in here. Okay, you can see the position, put an hole here, proper hole, and put the wax here. Okay, now if after placing the wax in here, you need to press that pointed thing. I have said it. Okay, press here, little bit press here. Okay, so that it can be fixed here and will not move. Okay, now the sky lantern is ready to fly, looks to be ready to fly. So let's fly it. Let's go to the terrace. Here I am in the terrace. This is pitch dark, can't see anything. So I have already set up the things to light up the wax. So let's go inside the door and light up the wax and fly the sky lantern. Okay, even after going inside the door, you need to wait for few seconds after lighting up the wax, so that the gas will get filled inside the sky lantern, and you need to close the door so that the air won't hamper lighting up the wax.
Hala.
Now it has started flying. This has gone very high. Looks very beautiful. You can imagine how high it has gone. I am in the terrace. You can see right there. I'm on the second floor. I can't focus right now. Thanks for watching. Let me enjoy Skylarton. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos.